One of the measurements that is frequently required in examining images is a simple way to count the number of objects that are in the field of view. In this simple AlphaTrack specimen, you might think that you can easily click on each individual object and count the tracks. It's quite simple and doesn't take very long to count one image. But if you had many images to count, you might find that a little tedious and time-consuming. In this case, let's see how we can do a similar thing using automatic methods. We select the automatic measurement panel here. Here we have the same image that we were just looking at. The first thing that we need to do is be able to identify the objects in the field we want to measure. We do that by means of the gray level, and I superimpose on top of the image a red overlay that indicates each object that is colored black in the image. When I then go to the measurement step, I can immediately see how many objects I have counted in this field. There are a total of 50. In addition to counting all these objects, you can see that I have ignored the ones that are very small. I decided that these are below a certain size limit. I also ignored the ones that are touching the edge of the field because these are not correct to count, as they are half in or half out of the field. And moreover, at the same time as counting the number of objects in the field, I measured many of the parameters. For example, I measured the area of each of the objects, so I can click on the area selection, and now the label is showing me that it's the area that is being measured. So you can see that using the automatic counting is not only faster, but you can get much more information from the field as well. In the next example, we will show how to extend this to a more complicated image than the one we have here.